Oh, heck yeah, y'all. There's finally something that I can definitely relate to now. We're gonna be blind ranking beers. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Beer brands blind rank. Alright, let's go. What the hell? Yeah, I know that's what I'm trying to do. What the frick is the problem? Change. What the? Oh shit, that's my bad. I had to click it. I'm sorry. Shop top. Not bad. That tastes like Blue Moon. Those are pretty good. We'll go 6. Guinness. Guinness is not bad. I'd really like to go to the Guinness factory. Those are good, like when it's getting cold. Let's go 4. Michelob Ultra. Holy that's the best beer on the planet. Number 1. Automatically.